In this video today we will give a review on English drama series For All Mankind Season 2. Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated new upcoming Hollywood movies, news, video games every day. At the beginning of Season 2 of Apple TV Plus, For All Mankind is that year 1983 and American life on the moon. Not a lot of Americans to be clear, but in the alternate universe depicted by Apple TV Plus, captivating and complicated drama humanity exploration of the star has accelerated well beyond, not the limits of our imagination, but certainly beyond what we have been able to reach over the last few decades in reality. While we have leaped forward in time for the end of season 1, many of the people we meet then are still around, including Eddie Baldwin, who has moving into a management role within the NASA, while he and his wife Karen, not on beloved astronaut hangout outpost tavern. Meanwhile, Tracy Stevens has become a legitimate celebrity thanks to the space program, while now ex Ben Cotton Wallace is in his glory day, and Margot continues to oversee NASA's rapid pace advancement into the stars. But while the idealism of the space program and what it means for the advancement of man and womankind is still very present in the series, Season 2 face head-on an issue first rise on Season 1. The militarization of the space program without drafting into spoiler territory. I will note that the official poster feature astronaut on the moon carrying machine guns, and that not a metaphor, the battle over how NASA is forced to cooperate with the US military is a primary concern of the season, especially because the Russians are still very much a presence and in fact become a far more prominent aspect of series by the final. When Season 1 launched in November 2019, I did so with the promise that I would be telling story meant to span decades, with those first 10 episodes covering what happened from years 1969 to 1974. But one of the strongest choices made by Season 2 is that it does not take a similar approach. Instead of years, only months pass, allowing important developments and initiative to develop out. Having watched the season, I will note that the back half is pretty jam-packed with plot developments to the point where I found myself wishing that the action had been separated out just a bit more. It's of course incredibly hard to talk about the season since it's set for a weekly rollout. I can tell you that the season final is full of wild swings and space actions unlike anything you have seen before, but the episode won't premiere until April 23rd. But For All Mankind, biggest most daring choices aren't really what stick with you, and it's the end, because where the show really shines in the details. There are moments scattered throughout the whole season that will electrify your brain and break your heart. I hope you like our review. If you like, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more recent updates. Please leave your valuable feedback and thoughts in comments below and let us know how you like our video. Then we will make more informative videos for you. Our goal to introduce you to every Hollywood movie and English TV series. Thanks for watching.